This question says, a certain molecular compound M has a solubility in acetonitrile of 9.89 grams per liter at 25 degrees C. Calculate the greatest mass of M that could be dissolved in 700 milliliters of acetonitrile at this temperature. And then it says you may assume the volume of the solution doesn't change as the M is dissolved. So basically there are lots of ways to do this, but I'm going to do it by dimensional analysis. So essentially we're starting off with 700 milliliters of acetonitrile, and we're trying to figure out the grams of M ultimately that we can dissolve. So as a plan of attack, we're starting off with milliliters of acetonitrile, which I'm going to abbreviate ACE. We want to convert that to liters of acetonitrile. You can do this as dimensional analysis or do it in your head if you like. And then finally to grams of this molecular compound M. So the relationship between milliliters and liters is 1,000 milliliters of acetonitrile or anything else equals 1 liter of that substance. The relationship between liters and grams is given by the solubility. What this means is there are 9.89 grams of M is equal to, per liter, 1 liter of acetonitrile. So for every 1 liter of acetonitrile, it contains 9.89 grams of this compound M. So we have this equality. So now, starting with 700 milliliters of acetonitrile times, we want milliliters to cancel out, so we put the 1,000 milliliters of acetonitrile on the bottom, 1 liter of acetonitrile on top, times, in this case we want the liter of acetonitrile to cancel out, so we put the 1 liter of acetonitrile on the bottom, and the 9.89 grams of M on the top. As you recall, multiply by the top, divide by the bottom, multiply by the top, divide by the bottom, repeat, 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 to 3 significant figures, you get 6.92 grams of compound M that will dissolve in the 700 milliliter sample.